Textbook question 22. Find the number of oscillations performed per minute by a magnet vibrating in the plane of uniform field of 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 5 Weber per meter square. The magnet has moment of inertia 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram per meter square and magnetic moment 3 ampere meter square. So this is straight question, but frequency is number of oscillations per second. So per second we will find first and then we will calculate per minute. Write down given values. Magnetic field B is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 5 Weber per meter square. Moment of inertia I 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram per meter square. Magnetic dipole moment 3 ampere meter square. To find number of oscillations per minute, n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root mu b upon I. Substitute values. Reciprocal of 6.284 is 0.1591. Root 16 is 4. Do multiplication. This is frequency, but we want number of oscillations per minute. So for 1 minute, so multiplying this value by 60, we get, therefore number of oscillations per minute are 38.19. Textbook question 23. A wooden block of mass m is kept on a piston that can perform vertical vibrations of adjustable frequency and amplitude. During vibration, we don't want the block to leave the contact with the piston. How much maximum frequency is possible if the amplitude of vibration is restricted to 25 centimeter? In this case, how much is the energy per unit mass of the block? Now to solve this, consider this is piston which is performing vertical vibrations on which wooden block of mass m is kept. This is mean position and it is performing vertical vibrations. Now we know that during oscillatory motion, restoring force is always directed towards the mean position. Now see what is the condition given in this question. We don't want the block to leave the contact with the piston. So in this case, block will not leave the contact with the piston only when restoring force acting on this block is less than the weight of the block, or we can say when weight of the block is greater than or equal to restoring force. And for this condition we are asked how much maximum frequency is possible if the amplitude of vibration is restricted to 25 centimeter. So this is maximum displacement means amplitude. So we can write which is equal to 0.25 meter. And we are asked to find how much maximum frequency is possible. First one. And second one, how much is the energy per unit mass of the block. Now here, weight of the block W is equal to mg. And we know that restoring force acting on the block is equal to kx in magnitude. For maximum frequency, mg is equal to kx, where x is equal to amplitude for maximum displacement and k is equal to m omega square. So we get, since omega is equal to 2 pi n, we get g is equal to 2 pi n whole bracket square into a. Now simplify. For n, substitute g is equal to pi square. So pi square will get cancelled. 4 into 0.25 is 1. So we get n square is equal to 1. Therefore n is equal to 1. So maximum possible frequency is 1 Hertz. Write with proper unit. Now to calculate energy per unit mass of the block. Energy per unit mass of the block is E upon m, where E is the total energy of the block, and it is equal to half m omega square a square upon mass. So divided by m, will get cancelled. Now in next step, for omega 2 pi n is substituted. So we get E upon m is equal to half in bracket 2 pi n square a square. Now simplify it. So we get 2 pi square n square a square. Now here pi square, its value is approximately equal to g, and it is given equal to 10 meter per second square. So pi square is 10. Now do this calculation. Therefore, energy per unit mass of the block is 1.25 joule per kilogram.